Hello, my name is Simon Janashia, and I work primarily in the field of international development. Um, I live in the Republic of Georgia, but I've worked recently in the countries of Central Asia. I've done some research in Latvia. I do also consulting here in Georgia for various institutions, ranging from school for non-profit organizations, and also sometimes for the government. And my work with the international statistics and the global monitoring reports started since 2003-2004, when I started working for the government. I became in charge of the reform of the national curriculum in Georgia. And other aspects of educational governance, like textbook production. I was involved in development of the strategies for teacher professional development and certification. I was included into discussions of the new model of the governance of schools and all aspects of education. And this was the time when Georgia and also other post-Soviet countries have started participating in the global monitoring reports and the international evaluation studies such as PISA, Pearl Stems, and others. There were various reasons why it was beneficial for Georgia to join this movement. The government considered that it was one of the ways to show that they were modern, that they were joining the ranks of the other countries, developed countries, like those which were members of OECD. Also, the other interest of the government for joining the international assessments was to gain the support from the international donors, because the international donors were not very happy with the way that local educational statistics were managed, the way the data was collected and analyzed, and therefore they were pushing Georgia, for example, to join the international evaluation studies, which would, from their perspective, which would provide more reliable data, but also a comparative lens, which would allow to compare how well Georgia compares to the other countries. Obviously, there are other interests involved, why countries want to join these global monitoring reports. Part of the civil society here in Georgia thinks that these global monitoring reports are helping to hold the government accountable, and then this allows